Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi na isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about graphing linear inequalities. Okay, so next slide tayo. So, how to determine the type of line to draw the inequality symbol or type of line. Okay? So, paano natin malaman kung ano yung line na ating gagamitin kung yung inequality symbol niya ay greater than or less than. Okay? So, yung type of line, so yung dotted line. Okay? Dapat naka-dot-dot yung line niya. Kung yung inequality symbol ay greater than or less than. So, kung greater than or equal to, okay, meron siyang line sa baba, di ba? Greater than or equal to. Or less than or equal to. So, yung type of line is kailangan naka-solid line siya. Solid. Okay? Hindi siya dotted. So, next. So, choose the type of line for the inequality given. Number 1, y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2. So, yung choices natin dito, either solid or dotted line. So, since this is greater than or equal to, so yung line natin dito ay solid. Okay? Another one, number 2, y is greater than 1/4 x minus 5. So, yung inequality symbol natin ay greater than, wala siyang equal to. So, therefore, yung line natin must be dotted. Okay? That lang. Next. Choose the inequality symbol for the line shown. So, since ito yung dot, di ba? Naka-dot, yan. Okay, so, yung inequality natin dito ay wala siyang equal to. Or, ito yung gagamitin natin. Either less than or greater than. Okay, next. Choose the inequality symbol for the line shown. So, solid line siya. Ito, nakasolid siya. Yan, yung yellow line, solid. So, yung inequality natin dito ay ito. Less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Kasi solid, di ba? Solid yung line niya. So, next. If the inequality is y is greater than mx plus b or y is greater than or equal to mx plus b, yung shade naman natin dito is above the line. So, kapag greater than or kahit greater than or equal to, pag shade niyan is above the line. Kailangan pataas yung shading natin. Okay? So, kapag yung inequality ay less than, okay? Y is less than mx plus b or y is less than or equal to. Yan. Yan. Kasama yan. Equal to. So, yung shade natin ay pababa. Below the line. Okay? So, pababa siya. So, yun lang ang bantayan natin na kapag greater than or equal to, yung shade niya is pataas or above the line. Yung less than or equal to, yung shade niya ay pababa. Okay? Next. So, example, y is greater than or equal to x minus 2. So, paano natin i-graph yan? Diba? Take note, yung inequality natin ay meron siyang greater than or equal to. So, ibig sabihin, yung graph natin, so y equals x minus 2. So, ayan. Yan ang graph natin. Tapos, yung line yan ay since greater than or equal to, ibig sabihin, yung line natin is solid. Solid line. Okay, ngayon, Yung shade naman, since y is greater than or equal to, so above the line. Okay? Yung shade natin. Nakuha? Next. Okay? Y is less than or equal to x minus 2. So, yung graph natin dyan, y is equal to x minus 2. So, yung line natin is solid. Kasi nga, ano siya less than or equal to. Pero yung shade natin ngayon, since less than yan, so yung shade natin ay below the line. Okay? So, kapag greater than, pataas, di ba? Kapag less than, pababa. Tapos yung line natin ay solid kasi nga less than or equal to. Next, y is less than x minus 2. Okay, so yung line natin dito is broken line or or dotted line. Okay, so graph the line y equals x minus 2 but make the line dotted or broken line. Okay, yan, broken line siya or dotted line. So, since y is greater than, shade the above the line. Kasi greater than. Okay? Next. So, y is less than x minus 2. So, broken line pa rin ito. Or dotted line. Okay? Yan. Tapos, yung shade natin, since ano yan, less than, wala siyang equal to, therefore, pababa yung shade natin or below the line. Yan. Next. Graph y is less than negative 1 half x plus 3. So, yung type of line natin dito, since greater than yan, so yung type of line is dotted line or broken line. Okay? So, ang pag-shade naman, kasi greater than yan, that is above the line. Okay? Next, if the inequality is x is greater than a number or x is greater than or equal to a number, yung shade natin is to the right. Right of the line. Okay? Right of the line. So, kapag less than naman, okay, or less than or equal to, yung shade natin dito ay left of the line. Okay? Left of the line. Example, graph x is greater than negative 2. Okay, so since greater than yan, so draw a dotted vertical line at x. So x is negative 2. This is negative 1, negative 2. So yung x dyan, yan sa negative 2. Dotted line or broken line. Okay? So, ang shade naman dyan, okay, shade to the right kasi nga greater than. Kung greater than, yung shade dyan ay right. Pa-right siya. Okay? Yan. Okay, next. X is less than or equal to negative 2. So, yung negative 2 natin, same pa rin yung negative 2. Graph the line. X is negative 2. Solid line. Or, solid siya. Diba? Kasi nga, less than or equal to. So, yung shade natin dito, so kapag less than ay to the shade to the left of the line. Yan, pa left siya, pa left. Okay? Number 3 or next example, graph x is greater than 3. greater than or equal to 3. So, choose the type of line. So, since greater than or equal, so yung line natin dyan ay solid. Okay? Solid line. Okay? Pero yung shade naman ay pa right. Kasi nga greater than. So, pa right siya. Ayan. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.